Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the amazing GUMBALL.EXE dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we will find out all of the Waterson's deep, dark secrets, guys. If they have any, they probably do, because every family has deep, dark secrets. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 light blue wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side just like that, guys. Now after you've done that, you want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 light blue wool, and then 1 red wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down. Son of a turkey, that hurt. And then you want to place 3 light blue wool, and then 2 light blue wool in the middle, and then 1 red wool on the edge. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. You also might want to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button, because I know you love these kind of videos. And after you've done that, light your frame up with a flint and steel, just like that, guys. And now it's time to head to the GUMBALL.EXE dimension, guys. And hopefully he isn't too scary, because I'm kind of afraid of him as it is already. So I can't wait to see this guy. What the heck are these? Whoa, where did he go? Where did he go? Oh my god, right there he is. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Whoa, he is so freaky looking. Whoa, look at him. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm taking shelter. I'm running to the house. I do not even want to mess around with that guy. I'm so serious, guys. I'm so serious. Oh my god, where did he go? Where did he go? Could you imagine if I turned around right now and he was behind me? Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God he wasn't behind me right there, guys. But could you imagine if I was like walking through the kitchen after getting done watching TV, and then boom, he's at the fridge? Oh, this ain't the kitchen. I don't think this is the kitchen. Alright, guys. We're about to head into the kitchen, hopefully. He isn't in her, guys. Thank God he isn't in her. But, ew! There's green water in her, guys. And, oh, snap, I can see him out of the window. But what is up with that green water? That's just nasty, guys. That is just really, really nasty. Somebody needs to clean that sink. But let's go ahead and head on up the staircase and see what's in her. This is a Gumball's room. Maybe he can help us. What? He isn't in his room? Where's Gumball? Oh, my God. Right here's his computer. What has he been searching? Oh, my God. You're not allowed to search that kind of stuff. What? What? I can't believe he's searching that on his computer. Let's go ahead and head on into this room. And oh my god, this is the bathroom. I really needed this, guys. I really needed this after seeing those things out there. I mean, anybody would have to change their pants after seeing what was out there, guys. Like, oh my god, I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. But where did my pig go? I was about to spawn him on that toilet. Oh my god, my pig just disappeared. Oh my god, where did my pig go? Did he like go through the ceiling? Did he turn into a slime? I'm not for sure, guys. This must be the dad's room, the mom and dad's room, and we all know what happens in there. Let's go ahead and head on up to the attic, guys, and see what's up here. Oh my god, it's really scary up here, guys. It is really scary. I'm heading back down. Because their attic kind of freaks me out. It kind of freaks me out, guys. Is there any more bedrooms in here, guys? This is the dad's bedroom. It don't look like he has anything that I could actually defend myself with. What is this? Oh my god. Look at those eyes. He looks like he's possessed or something, guys. Like, it is like super freaky. And oh my god, he's trying to beat me up. You want to beat me up, guys? Huh, you want to beat me up, guys? Boom, take that. Boom, take that. You're like 2 times smaller than me. Oh my god. But you're like also two times more powerful than me. Wow. You know what? But you're not smarter than me. Because I'm going to hit you with an overhead TNT attack. That's right, guys. We're about to blow him up. Boom! Oh my god. Whoa. Did you guys see that? I think they actually blow themselves up or something. Oh my god, that is crazy. That is absolutely crazy, guys. Boom, take that, bro. Oh my god, he's flying. He's flying. Boom, take that, bro. Boom, take that, bro. Oh my god, where did he go? Where did he go? Boom, take that. Boom, take that. There was two of them just a second ago, guys. Oh, right there he is. Oh my god. Whoa, 2-on-1. 2-on-1. You guys know that ain't fair. You guys know that ain't right. Boom, take that TNT. I'm about to blow you up. I'm about to blow you to space. Boom! Oh my god, I think I actually blew him to space! Whoa! Oh my god, I think I actually blew him to space, guys. That was pretty epic. That was actually pretty epic, guys. But whoa, look how these guys just stick together. You want some, bro? You want some of me? Huh? You want some of me? Boom, take that. Take that right to the face. Boom, take that to the face. It would be pretty bad right now though if he like started shooting laser beams out of his eyes or something, because that would be pretty freaking scary if you ask me, guys. Like I would not want to face this guy if he's able to shoot like laser beams out of his eyes or like somehow take me over, cuz that then would, oh my god, whoa, I think he just blew up. I think I just like made his brave or something, guys. I'm not really for sure. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely crazy, terrifying, scary dimension. Like those guys are pretty freaky. Oh my god, he landed on my head. Oh my god, I'm running, guys. I'm running away from him. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.